This Wednesday morning, there is 3 good news and 1 bad news. First, the bad news: inflation in the US has risen to 2.7%. Strictly speaking, the netizens of Wall Street are worried as the spike is on the backdrop of higher food and energy costs. Most importantly, the repercussions of Trump's tariffs are just getting started. The spike in the US CPI also supports the Fed's cautious stand and tempers rate cut hopes. Now, the 3 positive catalysts. 1. FIIs in yesterday's rebounding session were net buyers, at least the FII scam did not sell. 2. Nasdaq scaled highs as Nvidia rose 4% after the US relaxed some rules on export curbs on China, supporting the Nasdaq 100. 3. Crude oil futures were trading below the $66.50 per barrel, as traders grew skeptical that President Trump's new pressure campaign on Russia would significantly disrupt its oil exports. Long story short, wait and see approach is the Gyan mantra as US inflation risk also clouds Nifty's bullish outlook. Bottom line, Nifty's bullish constructive stance only above 25,670 mark. Until then, caution should be the buzzword. Downside support at psychological 25,000 mark. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 120 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1555 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some technical overbought conditions. FANO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has plunged near 11.48 levels. At last check, USD INR 29th July was trading firm near 85.89. Nifty PCR 31st July is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 31st July is at 0.84. Nifty outlook: we will spy with one big eye if Nifty bulls can battle out Trump's tariff threats and global trade war, which seems as rampant as ever. Nifty CMP to 5197. Support 25,000 to 25,050. Resistance 25,300 to 25,350. Range 25,000 to 25,350. Bias sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 57017. Support 56,700 to 56,750. Resistance 57,300 to 57,350. Range 56,700 to 57,350. Bias sideways to bullish. Sensex CMP 8 to 571. Support 82,000 to 82,100. Resistance 83,000 to 83,100. Range 82,000 to 83,100. Bias sideways to bullish. Earnings season is always an exciting time since stocks typically go up during earnings season. We believe the uncertainties could be answered with upcoming earnings. So, commanding attention will be Q1 Corporate India's earnings season. Wednesday, 16th July, Angel One, LTTS, Tech Mahindra. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. HCL Tech stock price fell 3.26% after the company reported a 9.7% drop in consolidated net profit for the June quarter. 2. The Nifty Auto Index, plus 1.45%, was star outperformer in yesterday's trade. Notable gainers were Hero MotoCorp, plus 4.95%. TVS Motor Company, plus 2.81%. Bajaj Auto, plus 2.81%. Mahindra & Mahindra, plus 1.39%. Aisha Motors, plus 0.96%. 3. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries rose 2.67% on launching Leqselvi, Duraxolitinib, in the United States for the treatment of severe alopecia areata. 4. Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation, 2.05%, gained after the company entered into a long-term agreement with Petronet LNG, PLL, for the regasification of liquefied natural gas, LNG. 5. Swaraj Engines, plus 10%, zoomed higher after the company's net profit surged 15.69% to 49.97 crore rupees in Q1 FY26 as against 43.19 crore rupees posted in Q1 FY25. Revenue from operations climbed 15.81% YoY to 484.1 crore rupees recorded in the quarter ended 30th June 2025. 6, Tejas Networks slipped 6.47% after the company reported a consolidated net loss of 193.87 crore rupees in Q1 FY26, a sharp decline from the net profit of 77.48 crore rupees posted in the same quarter last year. Revenue from operations plunged 86.49% to 201.98 crore rupees in Q1 FY26, down from 1496.07 crore rupees recorded in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. 7. Tata Technologies, plus 2.11%, gained after the company has reported 5.1% increase in consolidated net profit to 170.3 crore rupees despite a 1.9% fall in revenue from operations to 1244.3 crore rupees in Q1 FY26 as compared with Q1 FY25.